Assalamu alaikum. Now I will show you how to take input from user in Dart. So the first thing is we just import package from this, okay, dot io. So here with the help of this package we use this library or package to take input from computer or user. Okay, I'm just writing main function here in how to take input from computer or user. Okay, now we have just three this library gives the three uh, types the types of input that you can take from user. The first one is string. If I want to here front here enter your name. So here I just write string name equal to std in dot read line sync here, and also it's a null safety here. I write this null safety. Okay, for null safety I uh, I will show it later. It is also very useful. For now you can remember that. Okay, so now I write just print this name. Your name is name. Okay, enter your name. Okay, here now here you can see you can give input or instruction. Okay, now I am writing Maz Khan is my name. So here you can see your name is Maaz Khan. So here I can also see for age. Okay, integer age equal to integer dot. Here we can force that. Okay, I already talk about this force. Okay, here std in dot read line sync, and also this not for null safety. Okay, so here age, your age is, and here enter your age. So here you can see the first one is for string and the second is here I take input from user is a integer. Okay, now you can see here my age is 21. If I write here it give me, if I write wrong there is my, for example my age is Khan, it's give me error because I take integer type. Okay, integer type input. So it will give you um it will give you error. Okay, double enter your percentage, for example, and also you can see if I write here you can see here your age is not, it's your percentage. Okay, for example my percentage is, okay, your percentage is, you can see here. So also you can give you can take double double value input. Okay, you can take it also. Okay, I think it's for now it's enough, and it is also very useful. It's avoid you from, it's avoid you from hard coding, you can take input from user. Okay, for now I think it's enough, and uh, we meet in another video. Goodbye.